Hello everybody, good morning. Hope that you all are fine and fit. Kids, welcome back to our online session. In our last class, we have learned about some yummy and delicious winter fruits. You all remember? Look here. You all know the names of these fruits? Yes or no? Yes, very good. So, I am having these winter fruits. Can you tell me what I can do with these fruits? Yes, everybody? Yes, today we will do some fun activity with these winter fruits. Okay? Yes, today we are going to do something very interesting and exciting activity with these winter fruits. So let us begin our class. Kids, in my fruit basket, I am having oranges, some oranges, some bananas, apple, carrot, pomegranate. This one is star fruit. Okay, star fruit, guava, one lemon, and some grapes. These are the fruits that I have taken for our activity. You can take any fruit of winter season according to your choice. Okay. And for our activity, we will need some black bindis, small bindis. See here. And some toothpicks. Okay. And some toothpicks. Okay. Now, let us start our activity. So kids, the first fruit that I am taking for our activity is some grapes. Yes. First, we will take one toothpick and we will put some grapes into this toothpick like this. Okay. Everybody do with me, okay? Follow me properly. Done. Then we will again add another toothpick into this grape. See here, like this. Okay. Then put some more grapes into this toothpick. Okay, it will look like this. Now, take two bindis and stick here. Remember everybody, remove these bindis if you are eating this fruit. So, look here. Now, everybody look here, okay? Can you tell me what I have made here? Yes, see here. It is looking like a caterpillar. Yes, it is looking like a caterpillar that is made up of grapes. So, this one is a caterpillar made up of grapes. Grapes caterpillar. Okay, this one is grapes caterpillar. See here. Caterpillar is coming towards you. Hope that you all like this one. Grapes caterpillar. Now the second fruit that we are using are, see here. Can you tell me what is this? This is an apple. Yes, the second fruit that we will use in our activity is an apple. You have to guess what I am making with this apple, okay? See here. First we will cut the apples with our mama's help. Okay. We will put this part like this. Then we have to cut 2 slices of apple like this. And we have to put it here. Then the slices of apple like this. Some more slices. Okay. See here. Now everybody guess fast. What is this? Guess everybody. It looks like some sea animal. Okay, I have given you one hint. We will make his eyes also, okay, with the bindis. See here. See here. Now tell me, what is this? This is a crab. Apple crab. This is a apple crab. See here. Yes, this is a apple crab. Okay. Now we will take our grape caterpillar. Okay, see here. Some oranges. Yes, and some small piece of carrot. Okay, 2 small piece of carrot. Now we will put our grape caterpillar here, okay, in the center. Then we will make 2 antennas with these small pieces of carrots on the head of the Mr. Caterpillar. Then we will make some wings like this with the help of oranges. Okay, we will put 2 oranges like this here. Okay, and here also. See here. See here, isn't it looking like a butterfly? See here. So this one is our fruit butterfly, okay? This one is our fruit butterfly that we have made with the help of grapes, some oranges and carrot, okay? Our grape, oranges and carrot had been used in making this butterfly. So we will call it fruit butterfly. Now kids, we will take 1 piece of apple, 4 small grapes and 2 toothpicks, okay? First we will take our apple like this and put the toothpick here. Okay? See here, half of the toothpick will be on the right side and half will be on the left side, okay? On the first part and on the last part also we will do like this. See here. Now we will put our grapes into these toothpicks. Like this, okay? Same we will do here also. See here, it will look like this. Boom, boom, boom. Can you tell me what is this? This is our mini fruit car, okay? Beep, beep, boom, boom. My car is coming. So this is our eatable fruit car. fruits we will take. See here. These are looking like star. Yes, we will take 2 pieces of star fruit, 2 pieces of banana and 2 toothpicks. Okay. Now, see here. We will put our banana into the toothpick like this. Then we will put our star fruit on it like this. Okay. See here. One more. One for me and one for you all. Okay. See here. And it's ready. Can you tell me what is this? These are lollipops. Yes. Isn't it looking very yummy? See here, I am having 2 lollipops with me. Will you like to eat it? These are very yummy. Yum. So these are our fruit lollipop. Okay, made with star fruit and banana. My dear kids, now we will take some slices of banana. These are the some small slices of guavas. Okay, I have cut in these 2 slices like the shape of a leaf, and one slice will be like this. Some pomegranate and some small pieces of carrot. Okay, please take the help of your mama while cutting these fruits. Okay, now first we will arrange these pomegranates in the center like this. We will make one circle. Then we will arrange these bananas like this. Okay. Okay, done. Now we will put these small carrots over the bananas. Done. Now we will put this piece of guava here and 2 small leaves over here. See here, can you tell me what is this? My dear kids, hope that you all have enjoyed today's class. Yes or no? Today we have learned so many things that we can make with the help of yummy and healthy winter fruits. Okay, so make these activities at your home. Okay, cut the fruits with the help of your mama and make all these things that we have made today with the winter fruits. Okay, take care everybody, and don't forget to eat these yummy and delicious and healthy winter fruits. Okay, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.